We just got to Miami because we are gonna visit my family. No. Please. No, no.
Do it. I'll let you do
No.
anything to me. Please.
No.
Fine, and I'll show it off.
Look at this BS. Not me. I'm gonna get there and it's gonna start raining immediately. I don't know what's going on, but I'm super excited. Look. What is that? I am obsessed right now. I want this shirt and I want all these posters. Who said this was a good idea? Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. That is really well done. Ready to see who it is? Hi everyone, welcome back to another adventure. I haven't seen you guys in a while, but we just got to Miami because we are gonna visit my family like we did last summer. You guys need to watch that video. I saw them like a couple weeks ago when they went to where I live, and now we have come to visit them.
Your phone's broken.
I know. So, tell us, did you get sprayed with the hose? Okay.
I
Aww. Okay, so basically yesterday, what was yesterday?
4th of July.
Yesterday was the 4th of July, and I had a crazy 4th of July. I'll show you some videos
It was
later.
raining.
It was raining. Yeah, it was raining in Orlando too, but it, like, when we had the actual party, it wasn't raining anymore. It was nighttime, so.
It was raining at nighttime.
What are you doing today? What's today?
Today is 5th of July.
And what does that mean?
It's the day after 4th of July.
No! my throat is like broken. Have you noticed?
No.
You haven't noticed? I have. When I laugh, when I just did that, did you hear that? That was not normal. I think it's because of all the screaming I did yesterday. I was screaming at Universal.
Oh, you went to
Yes, I went to Universal yesterday. So yeah, you don't know what the 5th of July is? No one told you what it is? So you know how we have the Day of Independence for the US on the 4th?
Day of Independence.
Yes, that's the 5th.
So who was the copycat?
No, I brought my Labubu with me.
Me too. Oh, I didn't bring it.
It's so
Why
cute.
is it so small?
I don't know, but they're just adorable.
Apple. They're both purple.
They're birth purple. There's a wobbly head. But anyways, you like my nails? Yeah. The reunion here was a little chaotic. I didn't really know what was happening. I just hugged everybody, and yeah. And you look like you got sprayed with a hose.
Yeah, I was sprayed by the hose when you guys were out there.
Really? Oh, okay. Why?
I had to shower.
That's how you shower? Okay. Slay those demons, queen! So, her amazing elder sister gave me this braid, so that's what's going on. And you are just Sada. You're just Sada. So this nail fell off, and then we put it back, and then this one fell off, and we're not dealing with it. It's humongous. So, what do you think of all of this? I'm asking you a question.
Oh, that's good. Follow. Turn around.
No.
Please.
No, no.
Do it. I'll let you do
No.
anything to me. Please.
No.
Fine, and I'll show it off.
And there's a bunch of shirts here.
You see the thing that... You see the picture of...
Oh my god. Do you like that shirt? Yeah? Are you gonna get it?
I don't even like it. I'm sorry. I don't like it.
So why did you say yes when I asked you?
Because I wasn't paying attention to your question.
Okay. Oh, I look terrible. So, it's the second day I'm here. Where are we going? Huh?
The beach.
The beach? Are you excited? What's the first thing you're gonna do when you get to the beach?
Drown.
Okay. It's such a nice morning. Are you my best friend? Yay. Are we gonna go eat breakfast?
I don't know. Maybe we will, maybe we won't.
What if we just go straight to the beach and we don't eat anything?
Then we drown.
Perfect. So, we're getting breakfast. That is so slay. So slay. Let me see. No, not that. Is that the movie you wanted to be in? Yeah.
That's my dangerous girl face.
Do your dangerous girl face. Rain with sun. Why do you keep laughing?
I don't know.
We made it! Sarah! How's the water?
Beautiful, the most beautiful.
Can you wait? Is it so slay? What? Alright, we're going in the water. Look at this BS. It's happening again. If anyone remembers from last video that we came here, it was like the whole thing was, the beach day was ruined because of a storm. And it's happened again. Oh my gosh. The wind is knocking everything over and we just got here. And I think we're leaving already. Oh my god. How do you feel about this? You're cold? Are you happy? Oh my god, this is ridiculous.
I have sand in my butt. I have sand in my shoes. I have sand in my hair.
This is so ridiculous, right?
I have sand in my mouth.
And now the drops are falling. We're leaving and the drops are falling. This always happens. The drops are falling. Oh my gosh. God, I ask you, I don't care that you made it rain, but like the truth is, can you keep us safe from lightning, please, please? I'm begging you. Okay, okay, it's actually getting hard. The rain is falling really hard. Oh my gosh. Slay! It's so slay, right? Are you sad? No? Then what's wrong? Are you just disappointed? What's wrong?
I'm uncomfortable.
Oh. Yeah, I know, it is. It's so slay! Slay! No, not me. Slay! So everyone gathered under this roof. Slay. Slay. Are we gonna go back? Or are we going home? What are we doing?
Look at the sky.
Home? Should we watch, what's it called? Demon Slayers. No. Yes? You want to or no?
I don't know.
So what are we doing? Are we waiting for your dad to come back with the car? Okay. You wouldn't? You wouldn't go on a cruise? What if it's a Disney cruise? No, why not? Are you scared of the Titanic?
Yeah. I was gonna say I should have never heard the story of the Titanic. If no, I would already be on one.
Yeah. Just so you know, it's really, 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 really rare that that would happen nowadays with all the technology we have. It's just not. It just can't work. You can't do that.
Nothing is impossible. Can never done. Maybe I'll fall off.
So, Miami disappoints me all the time. Every single time we come here, it rains when we go to the beach. And this time it was worse because last time we lasted like 2 hours in the beach and it was like fine. But then today it was like a total of 30 minutes. So, what's next time? Next time we're probably gonna get there and it's gonna start raining immediately. Okay, so I showered I don't know if you can tell. I have a bit of blush on it. Maybe I should put more. But I took a shower. We all showered. And what are we gonna do now? We're going out to party.
We're going out to the dolphin.
What?
We're going out to the dolphin.
To the dolphin? We're going out. I got my nail back on because it fell. Yeah. I brought my Labubu. Let's see the fit. What does that say? 20 what? 22? Slay. So amazing. I was like, yep. So my nail, this one, fell in the shower. Well, not really. It was when I was drying myself getting out. But it still fell, so we put it on again. That's the third one we put on again.
Today?
No, but like since I've been here. Because I got this one, the same finger on the other hand, and now this one.
We should just take all of them out and then
Yeah, let's just take everything out and then redo it with that glue. Good idea?
Okay, let's get this one out.
We made it to a place and go planet Earth. Where are we?
Dolphin Mall.
Okay. It says it right there. A huge mall. That is so slay. Wait, that actually looks weird. What's the green stuff?
Pistachio?
Oh. Well, you know how picky I am, so I don't know about this.
It's so yummy.
So yummy. So slay. So slay. Okay, that's too much.
What happened?
Who did that? Who did that? Huh?
Why does mine spin so much?
I don't really know what's going on here, but it's cool. I don't know what's going on, but I'm super excited. Found my favorite Disney princess. Belle. And this was my favorite My Little Pony. What's her name? I don't even know her name. Oh yeah, I'm sure my mom's happy here. Wait, why do you just have the head? That's scary. Oh, but this is kind of cute though. Stop it. What? You're in love. Oh my gosh. Your first love, a stuffed animal. It's so cute. Sing it. Capybara, 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 capybara. Found it. Look down. That's what I was. That's who I was talking to you about yesterday.
And Hermione.
Hermione doesn't look like Hermione. That's Ron. Who is that?
Like one of the twins. Like
And what happened
Ron's-
here?
Where?
I don't know. So we were struggling to get my mom out of the store, and she got a few things. Stop it. What? Stop it. What's going on? Look. There's pink and purple in the sky, aye, aye. We're riding Harleys in Miami. So this is where the girly pops work, and the princess is coming. Come here, my princess. Oh, it's matching your shirt, kind of. What'd you get?
Taro, not really boba tea, but it's just
Let me see.
with jelly.
Oh, it's so slay. Let's see. Oh my gosh, girly pop. That's so slay. Look at me being trendy. I'm scared. Why is it cold? Oh. Take it back.
Are you okay?
Mm-hmm. What is that? What happened here?
I got the same one. It's kind of different.
So now that I realize I haven't really talked a lot, right? I've just been like showing everything. I'm leaving tomorrow morning. How do you feel about that? I can tell. You're so chill. But yeah, my adventure in Miami is coming to an end. It was really disappointing with the whole beach thing. And it's happened again because that happened last summer. So, should I come back later in July? Would you want me to come back? Try again? All right. Let's pray for better if we do. You gotta beg your parents to let me come again later in this month, this year. You gotta beg them. Be like, please, Mom, please. Are we gonna say goodnight now? Oh.
Was I doing it?
Yep.
Good night.
Huh? Good night. We are back at that place from yesterday. We are going to the store because we didn't get to go yesterday because it was closed, right, Sarah? Yeah, it was closed. So sad. But we're gonna go today. And why are we going? Why are we going? Okay, we're going because Sarah wants to go, so let's go. I am obsessed right now. I want this shirt and I want all these posters. This one is a Coraline one, Ariana Grande, a Wicked one, and Stitch. Oh my gosh, I want this one so bad. OMG. Oh yeah, we found this guy. So slay. Let's play Quidditch. I love this one too. That's even better. Stop. Don't worry. Be Cappy. Oh, that's so cute. Wait, no, it's not. This lady's weird. Yes! Oh my gosh. Okay, put it down. Give it to me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Stop it. That's so slay. That's so slay. Somebody please tell me how this works. What is going on? The heck? Should we get this to try it? Yeah, so I think we did a little too much. Who said this was a good idea? What do you think of that?
It's very bad. Like, what are we getting into right now?
I'm getting one. We spent around $60 something. Guys, we went overboard. For us, we went overboard. Do you think so? Are you gonna open it now?
Yeah.
Wait. Let's see. What's it gonna be? Okay.
No, wait.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Oh, it's not. I don't think it's D.
What is that? What did you want?
The doggy, but well, it's still cute. Okay, no, the other one's the one I'm looking forward to.
Oh wow.
Do you want it?
It's so nice. Other one?
It is the one I thought it was.
Yay! Sara has a whole collection of these, right? In your dollhouse?
Oh, MJJJ.
Let me see. How's it going? Tell me what all their names are. They don't have any names. Oh, okay. We got a monkey, we got an axolotl, a turtle, an owl, a cat, a bird. We got, where's the other bird? So the bird gets another bird. And
These
then we
two
got
don't
the
have
cat,
names because I just got it.
panda, and birdie.
Okay, so that's Daisy. That's Star. This is Sweetheart. This is Mike. This is Mia. This is
Mia.
maybe Arthur.
Arthur.
Maybe Arthur.
Maybe Arthur.
And this
Lottie. Lottie. We're gonna do a little haul. We got, well, I got this. I wouldn't when you show what you got.
Oh.
So,
Oh,
I got a
that's
poster. I got a poster, a Stitch poster, because I'm obsessed with the new movie. How dare you leave? I got a Stitch shirt.
Stitch shirt.
Because I'm obsessed, like I said. We got this edible paper thingy that we're gonna try too. This, the Deathly Hallows,
You kept on
thanks
doing
to
that.
you.
You kept on doing that. And
Yes, I kept drawing it on my leg.
Yeah, and I'm like, I don't get it.
What
and
is
then
that?
I just see it.
Oh no, I wasn't supposed to get this. I didn't take this out of the car. No. Well, now I got to Color America. Okay, so we got this.
I hope you get or Hedwig.
Hedwig.
Well, if you get Hedwig, I'm gonna steal it from you. Yeah.
Okay,
So I
well,
hope you. So
let's see if
maybe
I can
you don't
do
get
it.
it.
Watch my nail break.
¿Este no tenía?
No, it
También
didn't
se
break.
reventaron por detrás.
Alright.
Y esta.
Beware of what?
No,
Dog?
tenía que ser de antiguo.
If you know, you know.
No, ese es mío. Pero es que los shorts míos son muy... de esos colores.
So exciting.
I hope you get a Hagrid.
Hagrid. Monkey.
Monkey. Okay, monkey will be here.
Here it is.
No, that's a well package.
That is really well done. Ready to see who it is?
I'm gonna steal it from you.
We got Hedwig! Oh my god. We were talking about it. Oh look, it has Oh, it has the castle and everything on the bottom. And that's Hagrid's hut. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I love it.
So cute.
This is the one you actually brought to me. So thank you. You're amazing. Oh. They're gonna think I was talking to this. Oh my gosh. What is it?
¿Qué será? ¿Qué será? ¿Charlie Brown?
Charlie, no. No es Charlie,
El del piano. El niño de la cobija.
I can't see. I can't find a form to that. Stickers. Okay, that's a little bit better. It's the kid with the blanket. My head wig. We're gonna try this.
Fun words.
Fun
Write on
words.
paper, then eat the paper.
Write on paper, then eat the paper. I love how they repeated paper. That should not work. Monkey. Oh, it does feel like cardboard. Okay.
Then you're supposed to write on it. I don't know.
Where should we put the Deathly Hallows sign?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Let's see. Okay. So shaky. That's really shaky. What is that? Okay.
How does it taste like?
This is sour. And the paper?
The paper? How does it feel like?
It doesn't even taste. Was this a bad idea?
P4L.
P4L. So sour. Oh.
No es horrible, es solo dulce y ácido.
I know, right?
Yeah, ácido.
Why are you grabbing my candy? I'm leaving now. Remember to beg your parents to let us come again later this month, okay? Beg them. Like start crying and everything. I love you. Okay. Well, that's it. My Miami adventure is over. But it might happen again, God willing.